Hey guys, it's me Miranda, the teenage one. Or you can just call me Teenage Miranda Sings. So, anyway, I'm going to be singing you guys a song, and I hope you all love it. As much as you guys love Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So, because that was really good. Also, I'm sure some of you noticed my brand new sweater that I got. Because, you know, it's just gorgeous. Even though it's going in June, you know, I gotta stay modest. So, anyways, here's a song. It's called Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Here we go. And we got some motions to it. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 like the boat of a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life's but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Sing along. Merrily, 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 life's but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life's but a dream. Hope you guys like that. Even some of you ain't heard of it, like you didn't hear of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, because you're not up to date with everything, like some of us are that live in the world. So, yeah. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that. Sure you guys did. Loved it. So, yeah. Now, if you want to get this hairstyle and this look, I'm sure I'm going to be doing that in some other video sometime, maybe on Instagram. I have an Instagram account, if you guys want to go follow me on it, Teenage Miranda Sings. So, it is private, so I'll just have to accept you, you know, stranger danger, we want to keep it safe. So, yeah. Thanks. Bye. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. I know I did.